Last Father's Day, nabigyan kami ng chance to ask people from our generation if they had questions they were too afraid to ask their dads. And we asked our dads those questions. Do you always believe in God?
Do you ever feel like giving up?
Am I a disappointment to you?
No.
There was no such thing.
Pag parent ka na, or may anak ka na, lahat yan, hindi naman perfect yan. Katulad ko rin. Naging bata din ako, hindi rin ako perfect.
Being a father is like having a clear direction in life.
Well, disappointed with them? I don't think so. Disappointed to the choice of husbands that they will choose? We'll see about that. Okay?
I don't expect them to be perfect, but I expect them to be respectful.
Mas nagiging part ka ng being a creator because you actually participated in the creation of another human being. Kasi total turnaround yun pagka naging father ka.
With all of my children, they do not disappoint me. I think that's God's grace.
How do you feel when I don't talk to you about my problems?
Gusto ko open siya sa amin, ganyan. Minsan, pwede siya mag-isolate para to hibernate herself, pero hindi ganun katagal. Dapat sandali lang. Alam ko kasi, naiintindihan ko kasi siya. Alam ko may pinagdadaanan siya. Tapos, alam ko rin na kinabukasan mawawala na. Kasi ganun naman si Tricia eh. Pagkatapos ng pinagdaanan niya, lalapit siya sa'yo, magsasorry yan. Daddy sorry, mommy sorry.
Do you ever hide your stress from us?
Ang hindi ko ginagawa ay iuwi ang trabaho. Parang ang stress, naiwan ko sa bahay, hindi maging dump site ng stress ang family ko. Kasi nararamdaman yan sa loob ng pamilya na dahil ako ay umiikot sa iba-ibang lugar, iba-ibang taong kausap ko, nagiging collector ako ng ng iba-ibang stress Tapos kung idadump ko yun sa asawa ko, idadump ko yun sa family ko, kawawa naman sila. Kasi hindi naman nila alam saan ko kinuha yung mga basura na yon, di ba? So, I'd rather keep it in the office. Family time ko is a family time. Pagbalik ko sa office ulit, kinabukasan, then I will deal with stress na iniwanan ko ron.
Do you feel like your job took your time away from us?
Yeah. Looking back, I might have been an absentee father.
Dahil sobrang occupied ka sa lahat ng mga bagay, gusto mong gawin lahat ng mga bagay, despite alam mo na hindi mo naman magagawa lahat ng bagay, then you are removing times for your family, you are removing yung para magawa mo yung bagay na hindi mo naman kayang gawin lahat.
I was there to the best that I can be, but the hectic schedules, the busyness of what I do.
May mga pagkakataon na nagtatampo rin sila, nagkakaroon na parang buti pa yung ibang tao, ganon. So, yan. Pero once they understand naman na I tried to make up para doon sa mga lost times namin together. Yan. Nakakahabol naman ba? Hindi naman, no?
What I feel is, no matter how much time you want to give them, there's really not much of a time.
Pero, little by little, they became more understanding, they became more supportive dun sa But may mga panahon talaga na parang nagiging unfair sa kanila yung sitwasyon.
I am disappointed with myself not giving more time with them. As for them, natutuwa nga ako na giving the limited time that I have. I think it's really God's grace. It was God who fathered all of them.
Do you always believe in God?
When I was in public service, I would always say, kaya ko yung sarili ko. But mahirap kapag si Jinky na, tapos yung mga bata na. Going back to the question, kasi lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, do what is right despite hindi yun yung popular. Hindi naman ang pinakamahalaga sa buhay is yung marami kang wealth, marami kang And mahirap man yung mga challenges na kinakaharap mo sa buhay mo. Pero the Lord has a promise that He will never leave you. He will never forsake you. And the Lord also has a promise that His grace will always be sufficient for you.
What would life be like after all your kids have grown up?
Now that I'm turning 51 this year, I'm counting the years where I can bring enjoyment to my children.
Kailangan maging better version sila ng isang SD Carpio.
Gusto ko lang maisip nyo kung gaano ka-generous si Papa niyo.
The next decade, they might or they might not be taking care of me, and that's gonna be hard for me. I don't want to be a burden to my children. I want them to remember me as the father who has a strong arm to carry
Kung ang ST Carpio ay nakilala bilang IT consultant sa generation ko, dapat the rest of the Carpios ay makilala din doon sa strength at doon sa attributes na inilagay sa kanila ni Lord.
I should have married my wife when I was grade 6 because I wanted a decade more to spend with them with a lucid mind, a healthy body, and just spending time with them.
More than anything, hindi ko vinalue yung money. Ang pinaka legacy na gusto ko, hindi yung naipundar ko. Ang gusto ko makita nyo na kung paano ko makitungo sa ibang tao.
If there's something that I cherish about this life, it's not the accolade, it's not what money can buy, it's not the titles that people will give you, but every second that you take hold of that child, hug that daughter, and speak wisdom to us. That's what I'm looking forward to. I hope that I can spend more time, but that's what heaven is for, where we will all spend eternity doing just the same things that I was saying.
Do you ever feel like giving up?
This is something that I'd like to share to all fathers and maybe to all children. What I realize, there will always be doubt and there will always be second guessing. With the kind of values that you have, people will say that will not happen. How could we not convince them that what we're saying will work when really what we believe is impossible? But what we believe came from impossibilities. Think about this. We believe that the God of this universe became a man and he grew up to be a carpenter. He multiplied fishes and breads, walked on water, then died and rose from the dead. All logical people will say that's impossible, that's illogical, and that gives people doubts. Now when we say raise your children and be a model for them so that they will be good leaders in the future, the world today will say that's impossible. I have 6 kids, ladies and gentlemen, to the rest of the world and to the entire universe. I married at the early age of 23 with nothing in my pocket at the time but hope and dreams. I found Jesus Christ and followed every advice and every command. Now, the conclusion, simply be sincere in everything that you do. And what sincerity? It's bringing out the truth with love and care in everything that you do. You bring out the truth without love, you will be a tyrant. You care and you love without the truth, then you're a manipulator. But you bring out the truth with love, you are sincere. What happened to my family is I have wonderful kids. We're not near perfect, but I think the best that I can say about my children is we're gonna get there because we're following Jesus Christ. And so, to the rest of the fathers and to the children, kaya tara.
Tara, samahan nyo kami.